Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the video style in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now within the video tab, you can just open an existing project or create a new one. To create a new project, you can either choose idea prompt or script option. For me, I will choose idea prompt. Within the prompt, tap or paste your ideas. After adding your prompt, tap on the next option. You are redirected to the template page where you can choose the templates based on your preference while also adjusting the aspect ratio. After choosing the template, tap on the next button. Now within the another page, you can choose language, dialogue, tone, purpose and audience, or just skip them. Next, choose your media type. You can select stock media for ready-made images and video clips or AI generated visuals for unique scenes. These choices affect the visual tone of your entire video. Then in the voiceover option, you can just choose any individuals that you want. After selecting them, tap on the select option. Then finally, after choosing the media type and voiceover, you can just click on the submit option. So if you want to customize the text appearance, you can just simply tap on the text or script in your project. From here, you can just change the shapes or medias or text based on your preference. So if you want to enhance your video style while adding background music, you can just tap on the background music option. Within it, you will get three options: capture, upload, or auto pick. You can choose any based on your preference level. Please make sure to pick a track that complements your visuals and voiceovers and adjust the volume so it does not overpower the narration. Lastly, make sure to preview your video to see all these style elements working together. Make adjustment if needed, and after finalizing, you can just tap on the download icon given at the top. And that's it. You have successfully customized the video style in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.